everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's the first, seriously Magnus. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first spread the first plan with me that I'm going to do with my new planner for 2021, and I say that very conservatively because I'm not sure I'm gonna stay on this one. That's the intention, but you never know. So if I have to change, I'll change after the 6 months that I have on this planner. But let me talk about the planner. This is a Light Planners Action coil bound planner. It's on an A5 size or a HP Classic size, I believe. No, it's an A5 size. And I have two different inserts here. I have the Crushing Daily, which is this format, and I have the Weekly, which is this format. So it's the week on 2 pages. So it's very similar to the standard A5 or standard planner, coil bound, but it doesn't have the weekly sidebar, and the Saturday and Sunday are stacked. But we're gonna make it work, and we're gonna see how that goes. I'm really excited to do it, and I'm really hopeful that it will work for me because I've been on ring bounds and I just don't want 2 planners. So instead of planning on my personal for the weekly, I want to try this for YouTube, and this will be a memory planner only. This will be just for YouTube. I'm not doing this as a functional planner, just a pretty planner. But I'll link Bess, the Light Planners Action website down on the comments, down on the description of this video. So if you're interested, she has several inserts, and you can choose whatever insert and whatever size of coil bound, and she will coil it for you and send it your way. The kit I'm using, of course, it had to be the TCMCo, the 2021 New Year's mini kit, and you have all of your full boxes here on this page. You have your headers, your half boxes, quarter boxes, sorry, your half boxes, weekend banner, and some deco. And on the 3rd page you have your washi strips, some flags, more headers, and the checklists. And I usually get her mini kit because that's my preference. I also got the add-on of the sticky New Year's sticky notes, the emoji headers, and the New Year's washi strips. So we'll see how that goes. So because this kit has the washi, I'm not going to use anything else, or I'm not going to use my usual Simply Gilded washi, maybe. We'll see about that. And more than that, I have a few items from my stash that I want to use. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I'm starting this plan with me by putting down the bottom washi, and it's very different from what I'm used to because I didn't use bottom washi. I used washi at the sidebar of my inserts at the time. So it's hard to work out measurement, it's hard to work location, but it worked out in the end. I think that the kit really did the work instead of me, because it's just such a beautiful colorway and such a beautiful kit. So as you can see, I'm struggling in cutting the washi because I don't know if I'm putting too much force or if I'm putting not enough force. It's a little bit complicated. But the second part of the washi, the thinner strip, is just so beautiful, and I wish it came with those thinner washi strips as her normal washi, like actually washi tape. That would be just absolutely adorable. I think much similar to what she did with the 10mm washi for the advent calendar. I think to have all of these as washi would be just Very much appreciated, especially at the 10mm sizing. On the weekend part of the planner, I put the washi just on Friday and Thursday because I did want to leave Sunday free because I'm still working on the size and the sticker placement. So I just had to cut that bit of the washi off. And I think it looks really nice at the end of the spread. It does look quite nice. A little bit busy. I might put the full boxes instead of the bottom as I put, and you see that later. I'll put them on the top with the weekend banner, and that may look a little bit more fresh instead of the way I've done it this time around, but that's okay. Now here I need to apologize because you will miss one part of the video, which is the part where I forgot to put the camera up or zoom the camera out. Because again, I'm just trying to understand the size and how it works with my camera and the setup that I have. I put down all of the today headers, or at least all of the today headers for the first time of the first half of the week. And then I started on my Monday. So the Monday was a Coffee Monday script by me and icon from Papershire, which is a freebie from her group, a header from the kit, or an add-on for the kit, and a flag from the kit. And I wrote down the things that I wanted to do, which were all YouTube related, but then I reminded myself that I have stickers for that, so I went ahead and changed all of that to stickers, used whiteout and all of that. So it looks very chunky at the moment, but if you check my Instagram it will look much better. So yeah, that was a faux pas at my part on my behalf. I did put down a full box, and I put down the resting emoji because it was Monday, but it was also a day off. And there you can see where what I've done on the rest of the week, which is on the rest of the Monday, which is I did some laundry, folded some clothes, and it was bin night. On Tuesday I put down the full box and a three stars checklist from the kit to mark down that I needed to visit Browse Hill, Stem Hope Gardens, which are 2 locations here in Australia, and I also went to Pet Barn to get my cats new litter trays, because they're growing up, the kittens are growing up, and they need more space to avoid accidents. So I went ahead and bought 3 very expensive litter trays, and thank God they're using it. Marked down that I needed to do the dishes, as well as marked down that I got 3 new litter trays, which was amazing. Water plants I marked down with a flag and just the script. I didn't go very ham on this one this time. And I marked down that I also uploaded my plan with me, which is the previous one, and I'll show you and I'll link it to you on the screen. Put down the full box for Wednesday at the bottom, and then went with a laundry day on this with this little basket. Marked down all of the things that I needed to clean that day, because I really wanted to start the new year with a clean house, or as clean as possible. So I used all of my scripts to mark that it was clean day. I wanted to mop and vacuum. I also received Happy Mail that day, and it was Happy Mail from the Monsterz, which is this kit that you were watching me lay down. And I marked it with a script from Rose Colored Days, as well as an envelope from Graceful Planner, which is a shop that is now closed. I used a Papershire freebie once more to mark down that I needed to do some blue books, which is a writing exercise. And I also called my mom, and I marked call my mom with the Graceful Planner telephone transparent sticker. On the Thursday, I put down the Papershire, I put down the headers first, and I also put down the Papershire freebie to mark down that I wanted to do more blue books. Half box to mark down that I needed to do to clean the dishes and clean the kitchen. But as you can see now, I'm putting down all of the full boxes for the other half of the week. And unfortunately, I put down the full boxes at the bottom. I should have put them on the top. And the reason is because I think that at the end, when you put down a full box on the Sunday, it looks really cluttered, at least on my opinion. The spread still looks beautiful, but next time either I put my full boxes up or I don't use a full box on the Sunday, which would be really difficult for me because I like to use my full boxes. I don't have a lot going on, so maybe one day that my weekend is busy, I might actually change things around a little bit. But it's a learning exercise. It's a new planner, it's a new size, a new configuration, so it will take me time to get to my groove, and I think I did a very good job at the end of it, considering. Anyway, I cleaned the litters as well, and I put another half box to mark down that I wanted to film a haul, and my haul was consisted of Simply Gilded and the Coffee Monsterz. You can find them on my channel very soon. On the next two weeks I will be uploading on Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. Friday I marked down that it was New Year with a sticky note that matches this kit, and it's so adorable. Watered plants, I've called my mom again, and the reason I called my mom on the Friday, it's because it would be their New Year, so they called me on my it would be my New Year. They called me on my New Year, and then I called them on their New Year, because we have a tradition of singing a silly song, but we've been doing this since I was born, and that's the tradition. So they called me, we sang the song, and we said Happy New Year, and it was all beautiful. I marked down all of the things that I wanted to do related to my game, and I used the checklist from the kit. On the Saturday, it was a sleep-in day, which I marked down, and I loved how the colors of the stickers look with the kit. Cleaned the litter trays. I didn't do much on the weekend. I was so tired, and also so happy for all the things that might happen in 2021, that I just needed to just relax. And I'm on vacation, so yeah, I'm not gonna do a lot. On the Sunday, I did fold my clothes, fill my plan with me, which is this one that you're watching, and I pre-planned my following week, as well as did some grocery shopping, which was really nice. And that's pretty much it for this plan with me. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think on the comments down below. And I hope you stay safe, stay sane, and wash your hands. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!